What's up, YouTubers? Yu-Gi-Oh! Card of the Week number 2, and this week's card is going to be Jinzo. Its effect is trap cards and their effects cannot be activated. The effects of all face-up trap cards on the field are negated. So, try to get that glare. It's not gonna work. There we go. Jinzo is a pretty famous card just because, you don't have to deal with traps at all once you get him out. He's got decent attack for just, a one sacrifice monster. I know there are other cards like, Dark Arm that you can just bring out with just having cards in the graveyard, and then you wipe them out with its effect. But Jinzo, your opponent can't activate traps at all, and you don't have to get rid of cards except for the sacrifice. But with this card, you don't have to worry about Dark Smog with Dark World, Mirror Force, Solemns. So that's a great way to wipe those out. And I'm glad that they reprinted this in the battle pack because it's a great card. I know some people collect them. But yeah, tell me what you guys think of this card, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.